Hi guys, what's good? It's your girl skg.jpg and I'm here today because I literally just got a delivery from Nike, and once I looked in the box I was like, I need to do a video and film my first reaction, my first try on and overall review and look at this pair that I just got, because it's very rare that I get a pair of shoes delivered and I don't know how I feel about them. Like, I usually know like if I'm gonna love it, if I'm gonna like it, and especially if I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, I'm a bit shocked and it's gonna be a roller coaster, so strap in and let's jump right into it. First things first, obviously the box. Now the pair that I did get are the Martine Rose Shox, the MR4 Shox, and obviously Shox now usually just come in a plain black box anyway, so this isn't that shocking to me, but I am surprised that like with the collaboration they didn't do more with the box. Like, there literally is no mark or anything on it, so I'm a little bit disappointed, because you would have seen in the previous video like even the Nike Supreme Shox, they did have the logo on the box here and on the other side. So yeah, I felt a little underwhelmed by this. Obviously collecting a box is like one part of sneaker collecting, so yeah, that's a shame. But what we're all waiting for is what's inside, so let's get into it. Getting this out of a box is kind of shocking. I can't lie, it's a little intimidating. Like, I'm a 6.5 and this is actually a 6.5, so I'm not quite sure just why it's so big. Like, if I take my off-white 2s for comparison, that's a whole 1.5 inches, I would say. Like, to me that's a 7, and like a 7.5 or an 8. Actually, I can get a size 8 and we can compare it. This is a size 8 slide and that's where it comes up to. Like, that's how much space you have. It's shocking. But yeah, so this is what the pair looks like. The insole, it's actually very comfortable, I will say that. We have Martine Rose's signature art on there. We have Nike swoosh, silver. We have silver tints under the shock pads, Nike Shox on the sole. Then we have Martine Rose on the tongue. And yeah, honestly, overall, it's like, it's a nice shoe. There's not really much to say about it. It's leather, it's mesh. It looks comfortable. But yeah, I can't get over the size. And also, the other pair, it's not much different. It literally just looks the exact same, but obviously flipped. So the swooshes are on the outside. But yeah, let's try them on and see what they look like. I'm not sure what socks I would even wear with this pair, but yeah, I'm just not really feeling them, if I'm completely honest. Like, on foot, yeah, they're cool, but they're just too long. Like, I'll be completely honest, they're not for me. I don't know what I would wear them with. Honestly, if I was wearing them, I think I'd feel a little insecure. I also noticed that they crease really quickly on the toe box, which is not my favorite thing, but it's also not uncommon. Also, these toe stubs or points or whatever they are there, they're not really, I'm not really feeling them. But I do obviously understand that this is a mix between a football boot and a Shox. In that sense, I think that they are fantastic. I think it's a great kind of art piece and creative silhouette, but it's just not a pair that I would wear, unfortunately. So guys, there you have it. That was my quick review of the Martine Rose MR4 Nike Shox. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to comment down below, let me know that you enjoyed, and leave a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. Do also let me know if you would cop or drop these shoes, and if you think that I should keep them or send them back. I'll be completely transparent, I probably am going to send them back. Obviously it is a shame, like, I always want to support the women, and it's amazing to see a female collaboration, and I do think that there is definitely people out there, well, I actually know that there's people out there that really love this shoe, really love the silhouette. It's just not something that I see myself wearing, and as much as I want to keep it for the history and what it stands for, I unfortunately just, I'm not holding on to any more shoes. I'm not wearing any more like these days. It's just, yeah, I need to be a bit more frugal, you know, inflation, stuff like that. So yes, I'll probably will be taking them back, but do let me know if you would have kept them or if you would send them back. And also, if you do want them, I think they may still be available on the sneakers app, so yeah, be sure to have a look. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye guys.